Okay, set it free Sunday. Let's make this quick. Got a lot of snow removal to do today. Alright, first let's open up the Hyperliner. Recently talked about this when I posted one. Alright, so the cage is a little brittle on this one, but it works. Lock back into place. Alright, next I got this guy loose. It's obviously 57 Nomad sort of retro situation. I've got a couple of these castings. I haven't collected all of them. I don't really obsess over this one. It's neat. It's not one I need a lot of. Oh, getting back to the Hyperliner. Look, it says right on the package. Body pops off. Look at that, KB Toys. Wow. 2007. Next we get the Neon Speeders. Sylvia. Pretty awesome. Challenger. Pink Panther, I get it. Last we've got the Custom Beetle. This thing's awesome. I think most of you know I'm a big fan of this casting. Have to get at least one more. That's cool. Alright, now let's open up the Porsches. That's awesome. That's even better. Alright, one bummer is that the roll cage is outside of the window here on this one. And these are riveted, they're not screwed together. So I got two options of drilling it apart or cutting it off. Okay, so the 992 Cabriolet has a opening frunk, cool, but whatever. The 935 has an opening frunk as well, but of course there's not really anything you can put in there. It's just a part of the cage and skeleton of the car and safety component and racing components, fluids and whatnot. The 917, like all these 917Ks, does have an opening hood, engine cover, but it's really, there's not much to see in there, but that's okay, it's still awesome. I'm very happy with the fact that they did this car with an opening rear engine cover. You can always detail and put some more detail in there. So these probably 3D printing engines. This thing is awesome. So the gooseneck and everything, gooseneck rear wing, but look, it's got majorette wheels. The tires actually say majorette, opening doors. And it's beautifully executed, down to every little detail. This right here is definitely my favorite though. I love how they did this 1973 RS27. This color combo is absolutely awesome. The sort of like German colors with the orange interior. Love this thing. That is awesome. And the opening duck spoiler, the ducktail, and it opens. I mean, as a Porsche person, if you're a Porsche fanatic, that's a must-have. It's not a high-end casting, it's not Pop Race, it's not Mini GT, but it's very nice for what it is, and I appreciate Major Ed making stuff like this. It is awesome. Oh, and we also picked up some 3D printed nonsense. A little Dragon, there's a little discount store that has imperfect 3D prints that they're selling. Sort of maybe like the first runs or whatnot, prototypes. Motorsport logo, had to grab that. So I'm driving a BMW E32 right now. And look at the axolotl. Fascinating animal. Look into it if you don't know what it is. I didn't know much about them until recently. My daughter got into them. But there's one lake in Mexico, right outside of Mexico City, where all of the axolotls originate from originally. Although the ones that are pets are no longer really axolotls. They're like half geckos. There's some genetic stuff going on there. We've modified them. Alright, this is pretty cool. Check this out. It's a 3D print, and you can basically infinitely put it through itself. It's pretty awesome. Kind of a wacky little fidget spinner situation. And it reminds me of the impellers we make at Turbo. So, pretty awesome. Pretty cool. There you go. Set it free Sunday. And as a bonus, this Hyperliner has a removable cage. So, that's cool.